Greetings to all my fellow lost souls who are, like me, making the grave mistake of trying to put together an Arma mission. This is going to be a quick little tutorial on how to call in existing units as reinforcements. I've seen a couple tutorials on this, but they weren't what I needed, or they just didn't work. So I've come up with this dumb little system, but it works. So first off, we have our squad here. We've called it squad. They're going to be our reinforcements, and we have their vehicle. I have called this vehicle, I have not called this vehicle, but we're going to call this vehicle Alpha just for the sake of the tutorial. So over here we have our trigger. I've set it to activate when I call in the first radio command, and this is what it does. So first off, it creates a waypoint for our squad, and it calls it SquadEmbark. You can, again, this can be called anything, and the position for this waypoint is going to be our vehicle. This next line sets the waypoint type to GETIN NEAREST, so they will actually get in the vehicle. This next line adds another waypoint for our squad. I've called it SquadMove, and for its position we're going to use this nifty little command. What it does, it tells your squad to move where your cursor is pointing. So basically, if you're pointing at a certain position with your cursor, the squad will move to that position. And I've set the waypoint type for that to move, obviously. I've started the mission now. We're just gonna test it out real quick. I've go into my radio and call in Alpha. And now, as you can see, they're getting into the vehicle, and off they go to wherever I told them to go. I've made this trigger to be repeatable. So let's say someone got out of the car, and now I want them to go somewhere else. So I find another position for them to drive to, call in Alpha again. They will wait for these guys to get back in the car, and then they'll drive to the next position. This exact script also works with any other type of vehicles, like helicopters. So now I could call in air support on this CSAT squad right here. And if you wanted the helicopter to land and the squad to get out, you would add a third waypoint with the same position as the second one and change the type to get out or unload. I seem to have had a bit of a rough landing, but it's Arma's AI, so what do you expect? Using the unload command, we could even have everyone except the crew get out and have the helicopter fly back to base. But we're not gonna go that crazy here. If you want to know how that's done and you can't figure it out on your own, leave me a comment. I myself am not very good at scripting, but I figured this out and I thought I'd share it for lost souls like me. Thanks for watching. Leave a dislike on this video